Hi there, my name is Kurz, and I'm reaching out to you today from beautiful Listowel, Ontario. I met Dr. Binning approximately 2 years ago, and the man has changed my life for the better. I was diagnosed with an autoimmune disease, and I knew very little about that and what steps to take. I was blessed to have a friend refer me to Dr. Binning, and like I said, the man has changed my life. He recommended I get a few tests done, and that helped him follow the path to get me on the right track. My autoimmune disease has settled down and a whole bunch of inflammation has left my body. I am much less stressed out. My body and mind perform at a much higher level each and every day. And I'm so grateful for Dr. Binning and all his wisdom. Dr. Binning was very easy to work with. He was willing to sit and listen to my story and offer advice. And it wasn't just a tell-all book. It was very interactive between him and I, with him teaching me how to better my life, and there was no set protocol of 10 things I needed to do at once. It was step by step. I want to thank Dr. Binning for changing my life for the better. I'm truly blessed to know you, and I wish you nothing but success.